LUMAD leaders accuse NPA rebels of committing atrocities against indigenous peoples. These include the LUMAD killings in Barangay Lianga and Surigao del Sur. Emil Carion tells us more.
A big chunk of the important pages of the history of the Philippines is rooted on the IPs, or the indigenous people. Parts of Mindanao and the Visayas have become center of the news when IPs of the place were killed and harassed by elements of the rebel group NPA, or the New People's Army. Through the program Radyo Vision Media ng Bayan, the LUMAD leaders and the representatives bared the real score.
Pumunta kami dito, pilit naming dinala itong mga kasama na despite of the difficulties, para liwanagin lahat yan.
The archipelagic country adds to the disparate locations of the IPs. According to recent studies, there are 180 indigenous ethnic groups. They remain safekeepers of the original culture and the time-honored traits of the Philippines. The Subanon group holds the biggest number of population in the Mindanao region. LUMAD is the name given to the group, with 18 indigenous groups that inhabit the region. The recent killing spate and the malicious maneuvers using their groups are the main agenda they bring to the forefront of the urban dwellers.
Tinanong ko si Dato Marcial, siya naman ang taga doon, kung kilala ba niya. Sabi niya kilala niya yung mga pinangalanan ng PNP. Ang pagkaalam niya, dating NPA na humiwalay tulad din sa kanya. Pero hiwalay na grupo yun. Maraming armadong grupo sa kabundukan ng Caraga.
Magkaroon tayo ng tampoda or pispak para maprotektahan nato atong kultura, maprotektahan nato atong mga katawhan, o maprotektahan nato ang ancestral domain.
Manawagan ko diya sa probinsya sa Tandag nga kamong mga lumad nga parehas nako, kamo biktima lang mo sa kanang CPP-NPA. O biktima lang mo, so gusto nako nga isip nga kamo biktima raman mo, so uban mo sa ako.
Peace remains as the unifying thread for any group or ethnocentric origin. More surpassing bind is the fair-colored skin of the Filipino nation. Reporting for the People's Television, this is Emil Carion.